Do you want to know my secret? These homemade spring rolls are better than takeout and ready in just 30 minutes. In a bowl, add glass noodles and hot water. Rehydrate for about 2 minutes until slightly softened. Drain. Cut into about 2-inch pieces. Secret number 1. I always use glass noodles in my spring rolls because they absorb excess moisture from the filling, keeping the rolls crispy for a long time. In a pan over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. You can use any high smoking point oil like avocado, grapeseed, or peanut oil. Add the ground chicken. You can also replace it with pork, beef, or even turkey. Stir fry for about 3 minutes until cooked. Add the minced garlic and stir fry for another 10 seconds until aromatic. Remove and set aside. In the pan over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the carrot and cabbage. Stir fry for about 1 minute. Secret number 2. You can also use coleslaw mix as a shortcut, saving prep time without sacrificing flavor. Return the cooked chicken along with the glass noodles and scallions. We're also going to add oyster sauce, hoisin sauce, and white pepper. Stir fry until well combined. Remove from the heat. And we're gonna let the filling cool a little bit before wrapping. Secret number 3. Letting the filling cool slightly makes wrapping easier and prevents soggy or torn wrappers. Secret number 4. Make sure spring roll wrappers are fully defrosted and softened at room temperature. They'll peel apart easily without tearing. Place a wrapper flat with a corner pointing toward you. Add about 2 tablespoons of the filling near the bottom corner. Fold up the bottom corner. Fold in the 2 sides. Then roll it up. Brush the top corner with beaten egg to seal. Repeat with the rest. In a pot over high heat, add oil. Heat it up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully add the spring rolls. Deep fry for about 3 minutes until golden brown. Drain. They're definitely one of my family's favorites. You can serve them the way they are or pair with a sweet chili sauce. Making them at home is this easy. Would you give it a try or stick with the takeouts? Let me know in the comments. And for even more tasty recipes, check out my cookbook in the description. Please subscribe, follow, and like.